Making the most of a limited floor plan often feels like a constant puzzle of where to put your daily essentials without creating a sense of clutter. Fortunately, the right functional upgrades can transform even the smallest corner into a highly organized and efficient area of your home. These practical solutions are designed to simplify your routine by solving common storage challenges while maintaining a clean, modern aesthetic. 1. Finding comfortable seating that fits into smaller living spaces or corners can be a challenge when you are trying to balance style and function. The Yahitech barrel chairs come as a set of 2 and are designed with a curved backrest and soft padded armrests to provide a supportive seating experience. These furry accent chairs feature a neutral beige corduroy-style fabric and are built with solid legs for stability in various settings. The compact barrel design makes them a practical addition to a living room, bedroom, waiting room, or home office where extra seating is needed. They are suitable for anyone looking to add a functional decorative element to their indoor space while maintaining a consistent aesthetic. 2. Keeping an open trash bin in the kitchen can often lead to unwanted odors and an unorganized look in your home. The Hubro 10-gallon tilt-out trash cabinet is designed to provide hidden storage for your waste or even function as a laundry hamper. This engineered wood cabinet features a flip door that tilts forward for easy access to a 10-gallon bin, along with a large top drawer for storing household essentials. The white and walnut finish allows it to blend into various decors, measuring approximately 36 inches high to fit standard kitchen or laundry room layouts. This unit is suitable for anyone looking to keep their trash out of sight while adding extra countertop and drawer space to their indoor living area. 3. Finding a comfortable spot to sit and relax while tending to a baby or winding down after a long day can be difficult without the right support. The Yahitech 360-degree swivel glider chair is designed as a versatile nursery and nursing chair that provides both a rocking motion and a full range of rotation. This beige corduroy glider features a high backrest for head and neck support, along with convenient side pockets to keep small essentials within reach. The chair is built with a sturdy metal base and soft fabric to maintain comfort in various settings like a living room or bedroom. And this piece of furniture is suitable for parents in need of a dedicated nursing station or anyone looking for a functional swivel chair for their indoor living space. 4. Protecting curious toddlers from open electrical outlets is a common concern for parents and caregivers looking to improve home safety. The BabyPi 38-pack outlet covers are designed as white, child-proof electrical protectors that plug directly into standard wall outlets. These safety plugs feature an improved design with a hidden pull handle that allows adults to remove them when the outlet is needed, while remaining difficult for small children to grasp. And the neutral white color is intended to blend in with most standard wall plates and home decors to avoid drawing unnecessary attention. This bulk pack provides enough covers for multiple rooms, making it suitable for families with young children or anyone hosting mobile toddlers in their living space. 5. Refreshing a bedroom often starts with finding a bedding set that balances a soft feel with a distinct visual texture to update the look of the space. The Warmdern White Boho Duvet cover set is a 3-piece bedding collection designed for queen-sized beds, featuring a striped tufted pattern for added dimension. Made from washed microfiber, this set includes 1 duvet cover with a zipper closure and 2 matching pillow shams intended for a soft and comfortable experience. The tufted textured design provides a bohemian aesthetic in a neutral white tone that can complement various interior styles. This set is suitable for anyone looking to change the appearance of their bed while utilizing a lightweight material designed for easy maintenance in a home setting. 6. Moving heavy boxes or bulky luggage by hand can be physically taxing and often requires multiple trips to complete a simple task. The Voipv folding hand truck is a portable, heavy-duty dolly cart designed to support up to 500 pounds for easier transport. This collapsible luggage cart features 6 wheels for stability and includes 2 elastic ropes to help secure your items during movement. Built from polyethylene with a compact trolley design, it can be folded down for storage when not in use, making it easier to keep in a vehicle or closet. This handcart is suitable for individuals needing assistance with moving, travel, or handling heavy packages in various indoor and outdoor environments. 7. Trying to read sheet music in dimly lit rooms can lead to eye strain and make it difficult to focus on your performance. The Glocascent Music Stand Light is a clip-on lamp designed specifically for piano and sheet music, featuring 57 LEDs for clear visibility. This USB-C rechargeable light offers 3 different color modes and 5 brightness levels, allowing for a customized lighting experience that can last up to 140 hours on a single charge. Built with a flexible neck and a matte finish, it can be adjusted to various angles to eliminate shadows on your page. This lamp is suitable for musicians, students, or anyone who needs a portable and adjustable lighting solution for their music stands or workstations. 8. Cleaning floors can often feel like a tedious chore when you have to constantly wring out a dirty mop by hand or deal with excess water left on the ground. The Joymoop Mop and Bucket Set is designed as a hands-free flat floor mop system that simplifies the washing and drying process through its specialized bucket chambers. This set includes 3 washable microfiber pads that are suitable for both wet and dry use on various hard surfaces. The slim bucket design allows for easy storage and features a built-in scraper to remove dirt and squeeze out water without requiring physical contact with the mop head. This cleaning system is suitable for homeowners and commercial users looking for an efficient way to maintain their floors with a reusable microfiber solution. 9. Keeping your furniture looking new can be difficult when dealing with daily wear, spills, or pet hair that can damage your upholstery over time. The H. Versaltech stretch sofa covers are designed as a one-piece slipcover specifically for 3-cushion couches in a large size. And these covers are made from a thick, checked, jacquard fabric that provides a soft feel while utilizing high elasticity to fit various sofa shapes. As shown in image_65EE3F.jpg, the material includes an elastic bottom to help secure the cover in place and prevent slipping during regular use. This slipcover is suitable for anyone looking to protect their living room furniture or refresh the appearance of an older couch with a neutral gray aesthetic. 10. Managing cluttered cleaning tools in a laundry room or garage can make it difficult to find what you need and often leads to a disorganized workspace. Ace, the broom holder wall mount by Berry Avenue, is designed as a mop and broom organizer to keep your cleaning supplies neatly stored and easily accessible. This white plastic rack features 5 spring-loaded slots for long-handled tools and 6 foldable hooks for hanging smaller items like brushes or cloths. According to the product information in image_65EE1A.jpg, the wall-mounted unit is designed to hold up to 35 pounds, providing a sturdy storage solution for various household items. This organizer is suitable for homeowners looking to save space in their kitchen, garage, laundry room, or garden shed while maintaining a tidy environment. 11. 1. Finding a place to work or eat in the living room without hunching over a low table can be a persistent challenge for those with limited space. The Yahitek Farmhouse Lift-Top Coffee Table is designed to solve this by featuring a versatile split tabletop that can be raised to a comfortable height for using a laptop or enjoying a meal. This square 31.5-inch center table is constructed in a white and light oak finish and includes a large hidden storage compartment underneath the lids to keep blankets, pillows, or books organized and out of sight. And the farmhouse aesthetic is highlighted by the classic X-shaped accents on the side panels, making it a functional piece for both a home office and a living area. This coffee table is suitable for individuals living in apartments or homes who need multifunctional furniture that provides extra storage and a flexible workspace. 12. Organizing media devices like game consoles and cable boxes can often lead to a cluttered appearance around your entertainment center. The Wally Floating TV Shelf is a 2-tier wall-mounted system designed to hold various components including DVD players, routers, and streaming devices. Each tempered glass shelf is designed to support up to 17.6 pounds, providing a stable platform for your electronics. The black glass finish offers a modern look, while the floating design helps save floor space in your living room or media area. This shelving unit is suitable for anyone looking to organize their audio-visual equipment and clear up surface space under a wall-mounted television. 13. Storing seasonal bedding like bulky comforters or extra pillows can quickly lead to cluttered closets and limited shelf space in your home. The Combo Cube Comforter Storage Bag is a set of 2 large organizers designed to protect and store blankets, quilts, and clothing. Each fabric bag features a large clear window that allows you to identify the contents without opening it, along with reinforced carry handles for easier transport. These space-saving containers utilize a zippered closure to keep items secure and are foldable for compact storage when not in use. This storage solution is suitable for anyone looking to organize their bedroom, closet, or underbed areas while keeping soft goods neatly tucked away. 14. Providing a comfortable space for overnight guests or relaxing during the day can be difficult in smaller homes where every square foot counts. The Lumisol 3-in-1 convertible sleeper sofa bed is designed as a multifunctional furniture piece that functions as a 55.9-inch loveseat and easily pulls out into a bed. This modern tufted sofa is equipped with integrated USB ports for charging devices, built-in cup holders, and side storage pockets to keep essentials organized. It also includes a swivel stand and matching pillows, providing a practical setup for watching movies or reading in a living room or a guest suite. This convertible love seat is suitable for individuals living in apartments, dorms, or houses who need a versatile seating and sleeping solution with added convenience features. 15. Bending down with a dustpan can be a constant strain on your back whenever you need to sweep up daily messes in high-traffic areas. The iVac Pro Touchless Vacuum is designed as an automatic stationary dustpan that removes the need for manual scooping by utilizing built-in infrared sensors. This 1,400-watt corded canister vacuum activates automatically when it detects debris swept toward its base, pulling hair, dust, and food into its bagless canister. It features a high-efficiency filtration system to return clean air to your home and includes a simple indicator light that lets you know when the canister is ready to be emptied. This touchless system is suitable for pet owners, salon professionals, or anyone looking for a more efficient way to maintain clean, hard floors in kitchens and workspaces. 16. Keeping your sofa clean and free from pet hair or accidental spills can be a difficult task when your furniture is used daily by the whole family. The easygoing reversible couch cover is designed as a water-resistant furniture protector specifically for 3-cushion sofas. This cover features a reversible chocolate and beige quilted design, allowing you to change the look of your living room while maintaining protection for your upholstery. To help keep the protector in place during use, it is equipped with elastic straps and includes foam sticks that can be tucked into the cushion grooves for added stability. This product is suitable for households with dogs, cats, or children, where extra defense against moisture and wear is needed to maintain the condition of the seating area. 17. Managing excessive pet hair around the home can be a constant struggle for owners of both long and short-haired animals. The Hertzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush for cats and dogs is a grooming tool designed to assist with shedding and detangling while maintaining a focus on comfort. This de-shedding brush features retractable bristles that pull back at the push of a button, allowing the collected fur to be easily wiped away for quick cleaning. It is constructed as a painless detangling solution intended to remove loose undercoat hair and knots without scratching your pet's skin. And this tool is suitable for pet owners looking for an efficient way to groom their dogs or cats while reducing the amount of loose fur left on furniture and flooring. 18. Transporting heavy gear for outdoor activities or groceries from the car can often be a physically demanding task that requires multiple tiring trips. The Biomoba Collapsible Wagon is a foldable utility cart designed to support up to 220 pounds. This lightweight and portable cart features a flexible handle and sturdy wheels to assist with movement across various surfaces. The collapsible frame allows the cart to fold down for compact storage in a trunk or closet when it is not in use. This utility wagon is suitable for individuals who need a reliable way to carry equipment for sports, gardening, camping, or routine grocery shopping. 19. Finding a comfortable and supportive chair to relax in during the day or while soothing a baby can be difficult without the right seating design. The SAE TSFEG rocking chair is an upholstered glider rocker designed to provide a smooth rocking motion for nursery or living room use. This accent chair features a high backrest and a padded seat covered in a gray teddy fabric for a soft and supportive feel. It is constructed with a sturdy frame and curved wooden base rails that allow for gentle movement in various indoor spaces like bedrooms or offices. This rocking armchair is suitable for anyone looking for a functional and decorative side chair that offers a dedicated spot for nursing, reading, or relaxing. 20. Keeping track of your coffee, books, or phone while relaxing on the sofa can be difficult when you lack a nearby surface that fits into compact living areas. The BAM World Rattan Side Table is a multifunctional piece of furniture designed to serve as a boho nightstand, bedside table, or a small end table for your home. This bamboo table features a glass top and an integrated storage area that can function as a magazine rack or a record player stand. Constructed with a combination of bamboo and glass materials, it is designed to hold up to 30 pounds and measures approximately 22 inches in height to sit comfortably alongside most seating. This side table is suitable for anyone looking to add a mid-century modern aesthetic to their living room or bedroom while utilizing a small footprint for organization. You can find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description below. We encourage you to explore these options only if they truly fit your current needs and space requirements. If you do decide to use those links, A small commission may be earned at no extra cost to you, which helps support the creation of more helpful content for this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.